In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start unit number 17, practical geometry. In this chapter, we will learn how we can construct the angle with the help of compass. Let's see. First of all, you have to draw a line segment for any measurements. You can take 6 cm, you can 5 cm, it's your own choice. Now, I have taken here 6 cm line segment. Now, named as A point and B point. Now you have to construct the angle of 90 degree. Now first of all, this is a compass. Now you have to compass open 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter or 0.5 centimeter. It's your own choice. You can take also measurement freehand. Now I have taken here freehand compass. Now you have to take this measurement. Now you have to put compass at point B. Now you have to draw semicircle. Now this is the semicircle. Now semicircle touch this line at point this. Now this is a 0 degree. Now you have to put compass at 0 degree and draw first arc like this. First arc equals to 60 degree. Now you have to put compass at first arc of 60 degree. Draw second arc like this. Now second arc. Second arc equals to 120 degree. Now you have to construct the angle of 90 degree. 90 comes between 60 and 120. So you have to put compass at 120 degree angle and draw first arc. Now you have to put same compass at point at angle 60 degree. Now you have to draw second arc like this. Check that both arcs intersect at this point. Now you have to join this. You have to join this point of intersection with B point like this. Now this will be the angle of 90 degree. Now we will construct the angle of 45 degree. Same measurements you can take here 6 centimeter or 5 centimeter. It's your own choice. So I will take here 6 centimeter line segment. Now named as A point and B point. Procedure is same. You have to open compass with suitable radius. You can open 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter or freehand. It's your own choice. Now you are going to construct the angle of 45 degree. Take the double of 45. 45 plus 45 equals to 90 degree. It means you have to take help from 90 degree. So you have to draw first of all the angle of 90 degree. So you have to draw semicircle at point B. Now first arc you have to draw. Put compass at 0 degree and draw first arc. You know that first arc equals to 60 degree. Now you have to put compass at 60 degree and draw second arc. You have to here. Now you have to put compass at 120 degree. Draw arc. Now you have to put compass at 60 degree. Draw second arc. This will be the angle of 90 degree. You have to construct the angle of 90 degree in dotted form because it is not our requirement. It will be just helpful for the angle of 45 degree. Now check that the angle of 90 degree touch the semicircle at this point. Now this point and this point. Now you have to put compass at this point and draw arc. Now you have to put compass at 0 degree, draw second arc. Now you have to get the intersection point. Now you have to join with B. Let's see. This will be the angle of 45 degree. Now you can write here 45 degree. Now next angle is, next you have to construct the angle of 30 degree. Now you can draw a line segment 6 centimeter. Now named as A and B. Now check that 30 is the half of 60 degree and take the double of 30. 30 plus 30 equals to 60 degree. So you will take help from the angle of 60 degree. Now open compass with suitable radius. put compass at point B and draw semicircle like this. Draw semicircle. Put compass at point B, draw semicircle. Now put compass at 0 degree. Now draw first arc. First arc equals to 60 degree. Now this is the angle of 60 degree and this is the 0 degree. Now you have to put compass at 60 degree and draw first arc like this. Now you have to put compass at 0 degree, draw second arc like this. Now you have to get the intersection point. Now you have to join with B. This intersection point you have to join with B. Now this will be the angle of 30 degree. Now angle of 60 degree you are going to construct here. Draw a line segment 6 cm or 5 cm, it's your own choice. Now named as A point and B. Now you have to open compass with suitable radius. Put compass at point B, draw first arc. Draw first semicircle. Now put compass at 0 degree. This is a 0 degree. Now draw first arc. First arc you know that equals to 60 degree. Now you have to join this intersection point like this. Now this will be the angle of 60 degree. Now I hope you have to construct the angle of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 and 45 degree. Allah Hafiz.